welcome to another video. So today, I am going to be transforming my room again, and I say again because I've already done a major transformation in this room, and I'm adding to it, and it's still not even going to be done after this video. So basically, I am going to kind of show you how I am redecorating my room. There will be like some time lapses and me, showing off my new decor that I just bought, and basically redoing my room, even though I literally just did it yesterday, but I'm just like changing a few things and adding some things that I obviously didn't get to do yesterday. And I was gonna film that whole process from yesterday, but it was honestly really stressful and I didn't want to add the stress of filming, so I didn't. But I will show you what I have so far. So yesterday I drove 3 hours literally just to go to an IKEA because I do not live anywhere near an IKEA besides the one that is 3 hours away. Nonetheless, I ended up getting this vanity set here, the Alex drawers with the Lindemann top and the new chair and this little rug. It's actually a rug, but I saw it on a chair and I thought it was cute, so I just have it on there for right now. And that's like all stuff that I already had, which is what I'm trying to replace. And yeah, basically this is all new. And then I bought this tall Alex drawer set. And then today And today I bought all of this decor stuff. I went to the at-home store. Clearly, that's one of my favorite places because it's actually so cheap and they have a lot of good stuff in there. And then I bought a hanging shelf from Home Depot. I'm so excited about that. And then there's some dog treats in there for my dog. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go through all this today. And also, this morning when I woke up, I ended up taking my that's the wrong word, my headboard off my bed, so now it's just kind of there. And then I'm gonna put the floating shelf like up here, and then I also have some like decor pieces in that big bag and a new pillow, and so that'll go there, and it'll basically tie it all together because that wall is pretty blank. And then I'm also gonna have to do something with that bookshelf because it looks hideous, honestly. Also, this is gonna go because I had the matching like dresser here, and now that that's gone and everything is white in here, this literally just sticks out like a sore thumb and it's honestly hideous. So I just ordered a new chest today. It should be here in like less than a week, and that is when I'll do my full room tour. So like this video is not a room tour, it's just gonna be like me organizing my room and all that type of stuff. And then once I build that and get that whole area situated, there will be a full room tour to show my new room. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So it is much later in the day now, and I have completed what I can do so far, and then I will do a room tour with everything when it's all complete. So as of right now, here's what I have going on. Okay, so this is definitely like my favorite part right here. I bought this new pillow from the at-home store, of course, because that's where all my decor is from, literally. Both of those pieces from the at-home store, well, obviously not the shelf was from Home Depot. At home, those rocks are even from at home. Why am I acting like this is a room tour when it's not? Okay, that's besides the point. This is what I have done so far to the space. I ordered a neon sign to go underneath. It says Dream, and I'm really excited about it, but it's blue, so when it lights up it's blue. And I wanted it to be like white to match everything else, but it's totally fine. It'll add a pop of color to the room, so that's what's gonna go there. This is a little bit sad. I organized it a little bit more, but I still don't really like how it looks, so I'm gonna have to figure out something else, some other kind of, I don't know, some other way to like put all of that and make it look more like, I don't know, nice. Like, I think it's because, you know, that's not black and white, that's not black and white. Like, if I got rid of all those colors, then it would be better, but like, where am I gonna put it if I don't? Like, that's what the bookshelf is for, so I think I just have to suck it up. I don't know. For the vanity area, I changed a few things around. I got these from the at-home store with the idea to put the brushes inside, like in the time lapse. I'm sure you saw me trying to put them in here, but then, I don't know, it really honestly didn't work. Like, there was like white stuff getting on the brushes, and then like they weren't holding enough, they weren't even standing up. So I feel like I should have got different rocks, like smaller rocks. I also got that vase from the at-home store too, but like, I really don't know what to do. It's not practical to put them in there. Like, it's just easier for me to like grab my brushes like out of the little jar they're already in. So I really don't know what to do with those. I just have them there for now. I might put like a plant inside one of them, or maybe both of them, and put them somewhere else, like on the bookshelf or up there or over there. Who knows? But that's what I have going on so far. I also want to get rid of this thingy and want to get a tray, like a silver tray or something, and just put, because I don't use all these products all the time, just put what I need to use every single day on that, and then put those away somewhere else. For this little thing over here, I really don't know what to do with it, because like, it's kind of awkward. It's like skinny but then deep, like long this way, and like you can't really put too much going that way, so I just had to do that. I mean, I got this sign from the at-home store. It's pretty cute. You can light it, you can turn it on and off. And then I have my little owl holder thingy with some books in it, and then my elephant with some rings that I never wear. But yeah, so that is that. And then this guy is going away. I just ordered a chest. I think I already said that, but yeah, I ordered a chest. It should be coming in about a week, and then as well as my little light for over there, and that will basically complete everything besides like the smaller things like that and those two things. So I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Also check out my room tour when it goes live. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks it will be up and I'll have everything updated. Hopefully I'll have everything for, you know, the room so it would look nice and put together, because my room has changed a lot since the last room tour I did. Like, big yikes. It's hideous in the other one. But yeah, that is it, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!